Welcome to Study Loop.
Good day. In this question, we will refer to figure 21-31 to answer the problem. We are given a TS diagram solving for letter A. The we are asked for the energy transfer Q for A and B. For letter A, we know that Q equals integral of T ds, which corresponds to the area under the curve in a TS diagram. Since the area of a triangle is height times width, we have Q12 equals 350 times 2. Therefore, our Q12 is equal to 700 joules. For letter B, with no area under the curve for process 2 to 3, we conclude that Q2 to 3 is equal to 0. For letter C, for the cycle, the net heat should be the area inside the figure. So using the fact that the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, we find that Q net is equal to 1/2 the base of 2 times 50. Our net heat is 50 joules. For letter D, since we are dealing with an ideal gas, so that delta E internal is equal to 0 in an isothermal process, then work 1 to 2 is equal to Q1 to 2, which is equal to 700 joules, or we can write it as work 1, 2 is 700 joules. For letter E, using the equation for the isothermal work, we have work 1, 2 is equal to nRT ln V2 over V1, where T is equal to 350 Kelvin. Thus, if V1 equals or 0.200 cubic meter, then we obtain that V2 equals V1 e to the WNRT is equal to 0.2 e to the 0.12, which will give us the V2 is equal to 0.226 cubic meter. For letter F, for process 2 to 3 is adiabatic with gamma is equal to 5/3, since only translational degrees of freedom are relevant here. Therefore, T2 V2 gamma minus 1 is equal to T3 V3 gamma minus 1 will yield V3 of 0.284 cubic meter, substituting all the values that we have. So for letter G, as remarked in part D, delta E internal is equal to 0 for process 1 to 2. For letter E, F, G, for H, we find the change in internal energy with CV equals 3 halves R. Therefore, change in internal energy is equal to NCV delta T, or T3 minus T2, will give us negative 1.25 times 10 to the 3 joules. Again, you can use the graph to solve this. For letter I, clearly the net change of internal energy for the entire cycle is 0. This feature of a closed cycle is as true for the TS diagram or PV diagram, net internal energy. And lastly, for letter J, for the adiabatic 2 to 3 process, we have work equals negative delta E internal. Therefore, work is equal to 1.25 times 10 to the 3 joules from letter H. Its positive value that indicates it is expansion. Thank you.